Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to fix the Roomba error code number 10. Now this error code occurs when the right side wheel cannot turn anymore, so that this wheel cannot make any turns and move around your house. Now this usually happens when your Roomba is stuck under an obstacle, so move it to a new location and press restart and check the side wheels for any obstructions. Now here, push both of the wheels up and down to check if there's any loose debris inside the wheel. Now usually there's some hair inside stuck, so make sure to grab it out and blow inside the wheels to check if there's any debris stuck. Now from here, briskly turn both wheels by hand and make sure that they turn freely and that each wheel exhibits the same amount of resistance, so that they both turn the same way. Now if this message still persists, reboot your Roomba robot and check if the issue is still there. Now if the issue still occurs, remove the wheel module. You can do it by searching for it on YouTube, and here you can actually remove the wheel. Now here you can actually check if there's anything wrong with the wheel, and if so, you can contact the iRobot support service and they will help you out. Now if you still get any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Please like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I hope you have a great day.